How to log in to QU MATIX for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to log in and access your QU MATIX account on your mobile device or your tablet, here's how you can do it. First of all, open your QU MATIX application on your device, and once you do that, you'll be taken to this Create an Account page. To log into your existing account, click on Login on the right corner and enter your email address and password that you've registered with on QU MATIX. Enter your email address and then your password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your password, click this Forgot Password link and follow the password reset process. But if you do, you can type it down in this text box and click on Login. You have successfully logged in to your QU MATIX application now. Just make sure you have the correct details and you'll have no problem getting in. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.